Hey friends,
Hey,
I'm Mrs. Freed.
I'm Mike.
Today we're going to show you how to make salmon. I've had a lot of people tell me they don't eat salmon because they don't know how to make it. It is so simple and quick. We're going to show you 4 ways on how to make salmon. Blackstone, air fryer, skillet, and microwave. Stay tuned until the end and we're going to tell you which one we like better in a taste test. I have a feeling they're all going to be equally delicious. So we're going to season them pretty plainly today. I have this is avocado oil. I'm going to spritz them a little bit with avocado oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You actually don't necessarily have to spritz them. I need a paper towel. I have used many different seasonings over the years. Our very favorite is a little bit of brown sugar and red pepper flakes.
Yep. I like those.
I don't like spicy, but it's not too spicy. I can handle that. But today we're just going to do simple salt and pepper. A little bit of salt. If you know me, you know I don't like a lot of salt. A little bit of pepper. Woo!
That's mine.
I've never seasoned anything in front of somebody.
Except for me.
Right. So, spritzed with oil and salt and pepper. That's it. Simple ingredients. Now let's get to cooking. We're going to start with the skillet method. If there's a hot pan, I just put around some avocado oil. You can use olive oil. You can use canola oil, whatever kind of oil you have. I wouldn't use sesame oil or peanut oil or something strong flavored like that, but you want to get it hot. Okay, so you're going to put the salmon in skin side down in the skillet. Ooh, did you hear that sizzle? I'm going to cook it for 3 minutes. We're back. The timer went off. We're going to turn it over and see, and it lifted up perfectly. That means it's done on that side. We'll turn it over. We'll smash it just a little bit. 2 minutes on this side. Okay. So we're back. This is done. I'm going to put it on the plate, and I'm going to leave this one here so we can come and check it and taste them. The next way we're going to cook it is in an air fryer. So I'm going to stick it on. I use either foil or parchment paper because it's easier to clean. Stick it on there. And then we're going to go over here to our air fryer. We have an oven air fryer, which is my favorite kitchen appliance, a Breville Smart Oven Air. It fits a 9x13 in it. I love it. We're going to set it at, I'm going to put mine 395 for about 12 minutes. Okay, the air fryer version is done. Well, looks nummy nummy. The next way I'm going to cook the salmon is in the microwave. I just put it in a microwave safe dish and we're going to cook it. It says 3 minutes, but we learned when we moved here that not all microwaves are created equal. Our old house, a microwave bag of popcorn took 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Here, it's 1 minute and 20. So I'm going to put it in for 2 minutes. It says 3 minutes in the recipe I saw. So I'm going to put it in for 2 minutes, and then if it's not done, it says to put in for 30 to 45 seconds more. I stopped it after 1.5 minutes because it exploded all over my microwave. Not sure if this is a fail or what. We'll taste it. But my microwave sure needs to be cleaned.
That looks good.
You think it looks good?
Yes, I do. I think it looks good.
It exploded.
Wow, I did.
Yeah. Okay. We'll come back. I'm back. I got to show you this thing. It was my fault I didn't have it down on the food. But you put it in the microwave to cover your food. I don't have the glass in yet. So it covers the food. And then you magnet it to the top for easy storage. How cool is that? But I didn't use it. Oh, you can see you.
Hey,
Okay, we're outside.
So the perfect machine, the Blackstone. You want to cook it to be around where your grill is about 450 to 500. Right, I'm about 475 ish in here, and it's going to go down a little bit once I spritz. I've never spritzed the grill. I sprayed a grill. So
Spritz.
isn't that what you said you did into you spritzed the olive
Oh,
oil on there?
so
So
you're learning from me.
yeah. So we just kind of squirt it on there a little bit.
Squirt, spritz, spray.
Spray. All right. And then we're going to.
We're not skin side down?
Huh?
Not skin side down?
Flesh side first.
Oh.
And we want to shoot it to where it's about 120 to 130 degrees. And then we're going to flip it over to about 100 until then it gets to be about 140. And then chef's kiss.
We don't know how long it's going to take.
No. So we will come back.
I'll tell you how long.
Yeah. I'm going to flip it over.
That took 2 minutes. And you flipped it over.
And then we're going to go to about 140.
140 is done.
Is the sweet spot for this. And you need to highly recommend some sort of
thermometer. He's got a fancy one.
With a probe in it. And so we're at 125-ish.
Okay, we'll be back. Been about a minute and a half. You covered it up. That sometimes helps. Okay, you want to check it? So there's different. There you go, 140.
That is it. That is a sweet spot.
That's what it looks like. Okay.
Oh, I don't.
Okay. So this is the skillet version of our salmon. And it's not nice and flaky. Comes right off the skin. You don't want to eat the skin. You don't want to eat the skin. Cheers.
Cheers. That's pretty good. That's good.
I need another bite.
That's good.
Salmon is good. Okay. Hi.
Hey.
This is our microwave one.
Doesn't look as pretty.
Our microwave is super. Okay, so here it is. Can't even see me. Hello. Cheers.
That's still very good.
It is very good.
Yeah, it is very good.
My microwave took a minute and a half, so this is not how I would cook it in my microwave. I cooked it in our old house in the microwave, but
Good.
it is good. You'd have to find the right time for your microwave.
Right.
Okay. Okay, this is the air fryer version. Nice and flaky. Get your bite. It's hard to do with one hand.
Yeah, it is.
If you've never had salmon, it doesn't taste anything like fish. Correct?
Correct.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Hot. Yeah. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Salmon is good. We got one more to try. And last but not least, Blackstone.
Yeah.
It also is very flaky. Just comes right off the skin, which is important.
Cheers. Mm-hmm. What?
Let's rank them. Let's rank them.
Okay.
What's your number one?
Be the Blackstone.
I said Brickstone, didn't I?
Yeah.
I meant Blackstone. Blackstone?
Yep.
What's number two?
I would have to say the microwave.
Whoa.
I know.
And then?
The convection.
AirFry?
Air fryer. Yep.
And then the skillet.
And skillet.
That's not my order.
No, what's your order?
I have to say the Blackstone is number one.
Yes.
Skillet, air fryer, microwave. But reality, they're all really good.
Oh no, they are good.
They're really good. So just depends on what flavors you want to add to it. We don't usually make them just salt and pepper. So
We never use just salt and pepper. This one is lemon, garlic, parsley, salt and pepper. This is our favorite: garlic, red pepper flakes, and a little bit of brown sugar. We like to serve it over a bed of lettuce with cauliflower rice and Asian seasonings, or a bag salad with honey mustard Bolthouse Farm dressing. A balsamic glaze is nice on top as well.
happy cooking salmon.
Happy cookie salmon.
If you'd like to subscribe,
Oh, subscribe, like, TikTok, Instagram. You know, do it. So we don't have to work ever again.
I love you.
Kind of, sort of.
Have a great week. Bye.